Hello. This video is a bit different because I thought I'd kind of give you a behind the scenes of like how some of my mornings go, which kind of starts with just getting breakfast ready for the kids, getting them ready for school, and so on. And I also wanted to just talk about my channel, how I'm trying to make some changes. I really want to get into comedy. I'm not like a comedian, but I like to laugh and I like to make others laugh. And I had a channel before this where it was just like a lifestyle vlog. And I did a few videos that some people found funny. When I say some people, like, I don't know, like 25 people, I figured that's enough for me to start my comedic career. So it's just something I'm just kind of dabbling in, like thinking about how I can do it and still center it around soap making and small businesses. So that's kind of like where I am with that. I also have two other channels that I have started. One of them is a behind the scenes, it's supposed to be called like behind the hands channel. So I'll link that if you guys want to follow me over there. And then I also have a Diary of a Mother, which is more so going to be just about rants when it comes to child care and child related like stresses of life, because my kids stress me out, and not in that they intentionally stress me out, but just like their very existence. Like I've like diagnosed myself with anxiety, which is like serious thing. And I just I don't know. So I like to rant, and I just want to know if like other people have similar thoughts and experiences where like I worry about my kids on a regular basis, which I know you're like, well, that's normal, but I don't know, mine may be a little unhealthy. So I figure I would try to kind of release that by doing a channel where I can just kind of rant and talk about the things that are on my mind. So I'll link that channel below. But with regards to this channel, there's a lot of soap makers out there. And I've done a video before where I talked about how I want to like change the direction because I do want to do something different. I know that there are a lot of videos that people can watch that are just soothing to watch. And I want to continue to try to do that. Of course, mine are not going to be as soothing as others, but it'll be uniquely me, my style and the way I do things. So I am going to continue to do that, but I also want to focus on self-care because I think that that's very important as well, especially when you're running a small business. And then like I said, with me being a parent and I'm also a wife, there's just a lot of stressors that go into that. So I definitely want to focus on self-care, and I want to make sure that people that are supporting my channel focus on self-care as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll be posting another video about like how I'll be focusing on the artist on one day, which would be like the business, and then or the art, and then the artist. So guys, definitely check out my Soap of the Month Club, which is what I am wrapping here. It gives you the recipe for the soap that I made. It's a unique soap that's unique to the season. And it also gives you the instructions on how to make it. So guys, go ahead and check that out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Black hands are out. Bye bye, guys.